Hey everyone! Today we are talking about two little French words that often confuse English speakers. Encore and toujours. They both mean still, but you can't always use them the same way. Let's break it down together. Toujours can be used as always or still. J'ai toujours 10 jours de congé. I still have 10 days off. In this case, toujours means that nothing has changed. Je suis toujours en retard. I am always late. In this case, toujours means something that happens all the time. It's a habit. Now we have encore. That can be used as again or still. Il neige encore. It is snowing again. It is still snowing. It started before and it's happening again. Je suis encore en retard. I am late again. This is not the first time it happens. The third one will be the difference between toujours pas and pas encore. Be careful with these negative forms because they change the meaning. Je n'ai toujours pas mangé la tarte. I still haven't eaten the pie. It emphasizes how long it's taking. I've had it in the fridge for 2 days and I still haven't had it. Je n'ai pas encore mangé la tarte. I haven't eaten the pie yet, but I will eat it very soon. Now it is your turn. Try making a sentence with toujours and encore in the comments and I'll check them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more French tips and I'll see you very soon. Salut!